How to block someone on Facebook using your iPhone 8 Plus. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone 8 Plus and make sure you're signed in to your account. Next, use the search icon at the top of the screen and search for the person you want to block. Once you find their profile, tap on it to open their Facebook profile. Now, tap the three-dot icon on the top right corner. From the menu that appears, tap Block. Facebook will show you information about what happens when you block someone. Tap Block again to continue. Once confirmed, the person will be added to your blocked list immediately and won't be able to find your profile, tag you, or contact you on Facebook. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to block someone on Facebook using your iPhone 8 Plus. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.